Hello, my name is Keith. This is Oliver's Musical Genius channel, and this is the channel where I practice for at least 10 minutes on every single video as I progress towards 10,000 hours of public practicing. This video is brought to you by GetYouSomeProductions.com, my music production company and podcast. This video is also brought to you by GetYouSomeGuitar.com, my guitar lesson website. Links in the description for both. I'm going to be playing a song called Margaret Revisited, which is a longer version of a song that I wrote called Margaret. And this is going to be the way I practice for a while, which is play the song and then I use my Don or triple looper and practice for, and then I improvise so that I can satisfy the 10 minutes that I promise to practice on every video. The Handshake is the band where you can find this original version of the song, Margaret Revisited. The Handshake.band, I'll include a link to that as well. Whenever we're united, I'm alive as I'll ever be. I'm driven and I can't fight it. I strive as a better me. And after we make love, I have to laugh at life unfair. Come and get me now, death. See if I fucking care. Wanna know you better than anybody else I've ever known. Can't you see, I believe we're a team meant to be, and together there is nothing that we can't achieve. When we're apart, I am delighted by your memory. I'll wait till you return to me. When we're apart, I'll strive no matter how hard. Whenever we're united, I'm alive as I'll ever be. I'm driven and I can't fight it. I strive as a better me. And after we make love, I have to laugh at life unfair. Come and get me now, death. See if I fucking care. Now I understand what it means to consider someone else every time that I make a decision. All my energy is devoted to our love. Every moment that I think it is you I'm thinking of. When we're apart, I am delighted by your memory. I'll wait till you return to me. When we're apart, I'll strive no matter how hard. Had the most beautiful thoughts, but what were they all about? Touched many lives, but I never reached out. Felt the deepest hurt, but it was gone too soon. Felt the deepest love, but it led me to ruin. I've poured more into me than could ever possibly fit, which is what love does to whoever will let it. The greatest things are not made like diamonds from coal crushed, but seen when you are only a sight, and time is not rushed, and heard most clearly when sound becomes the air. Framing you now I mean to do what before I would not dare. Become the hero that I always knew I could, but devote all my strength to only your greater good. I will always be there. I will always be there. I will always be there. To touch your skin and kiss your lips becomes my only care, and share with you myself, softly then with force, partially then completely, beautifully. I'm sure I could jump right over that building, but I have got to take care of my baby. I'm sure I could jump right over that building, but I have got to take care of my baby.